back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead video for you. I feel like it's been a few weeks since I've done one of these longer videos. We're going to try to get through everything as quickly as possible, but I have 5 different job leads for you today, and they are all in the healthcare field. We're going to dive all in. All the pages that I share in this video are linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And real quickly, if you're new here, this channel is all about sharing work from home job leads, the best that is available for that day. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications turned on. The first job lead we have is from well-known health insurance group, the Cigna group. Now, Cigna is hiring a claims representative. This is remote for the United States only. But they're basically looking for somebody to deliver straightforward administrative and basic business services in their claims department, examining and processing paper claims and/or electronic claims. You may perform duties relating to the claims adjudication or process. For review of each claim, you might have to verify eligibility, verify coordination of benefits with other insurance carriers, and finalize the claim based on the patient's health plan. So you're basically going to be reviewing claim submission to confirm the required documents have been received. You'll verify the medical codes on the claim, the eligibility of the patient on the claim, any other insurance that they have. If what is being billed requires an authorization, you'll make sure that that is on file and then process the claim according to the guidelines. So you'll follow the established policies and procedures to pay, pend, or request additional information from the providers. Now, they are not requiring any kind of a college degree. They just want somebody who has a strong attention to detail, someone who can be a problem solver. You have to have great computer navigational skills using different computer systems. You do have to know how to use those Microsoft Office systems, Word, Excel, Outlook, OneNote, PowerPoint. You need knowledge of medical terminology and the medical industry like CPT codes and ICD-10 codes. You need great communication skills and of course, the ability to work in a fast-paced, deadline-driven environment. If this sounds like something for you, the hourly pay for this position is anywhere from $17 an hour all the way up to $26 an hour. Of course, final pay that you are offered is going to be dependent on your experience and location. Next up, we have Ciox Healthcare, a Datavant company, is hiring a CPC processor. This is going to be customer support related. This is remote for the United States, and pay for this position is anywhere from $15 an hour all the way up to $18 an hour. This does say they have 2 openings, so I think they're hiring 2 different people for this position. They're basically looking for somebody to ensure the accurate and timely handling of release of information accounts, issues with internal and external customers while maintaining a high level of professionalism. So you'll answer and conduct business on the telephone, so customer service related. That means answering these phone calls, reviewing, researching, resolving, and responding to any inquiries that are received through phone, email, or written correspondence. Of course, you're going to be documenting all those calls, inquiries, and your resolution in the computer system. You'll be responsible for following all company policies and procedures that are posted and communicated to you by management. Now, for this position, again, no college degree is needed. They're looking for a high school diploma or GED. You do have to have your high school accredited from an institute recognized by the State Department of Education, someone who can be friendly and professional in their manner of communication, someone who is experienced with a multi-line phone system. Of course, again, you have to know those Microsoft Office systems, Word, Excel, all the things, and they do want somebody who has some kind of experience in medical records, data entry, healthcare claims processing, that sort of thing. Moving right along, we have Equip Healthcare. They are hiring a billing and AR specialist. Now, Equip is a virtual program that helps families recover from eating disorders at home with comprehensive, good standard healthcare created by experts in the field and people in recovery. So this is on a more serious note. So you do need to know that going in. You've got to be one of those people who can handle this type of thing. but they're looking for basically a billing specialist to be accountable for creating and submitting medical claims, pay your invoices, and following up on those AR or unpaid claims from the insurance companies or from patients. You'll be responsible for ensuring an organized and cohesive process is in place for all claim submissions and revenue cycle tracking. So you'll have to file claims accurately and timely to insurance plans. Of course, you'll quickly, when the insurance plan either pays or denies, follow up on them, especially if they've got any denials. You'll have to manage those payments as well as financial records and claims process. You will have to send medical records if the insurance company is requesting that. Now again, no college degree is needed, but they do want somebody who has 5 years experience in some kind of a healthcare billing setting. They want somebody who is familiar with insurance payer policies, someone who's familiar with payer invoicing, claims forms that are used like the CMS 1500 form that's used for physician claims and physician billing, or the UB claims or UB04 forms that are normally used for facility hospital-based claims. They want somebody who has great communication skills and can be organized. Now, unfortunately, Equip Health did not list the pay for this position. That'll have to be discussed at the time of the interview. We have another customer support position for Centrix, but it is a remote healthcare customer service expert, it says, for staffing. Now, Centrix, the pay for this position is $18 an hour, all the way up to $22 an hour. Again, this is remote for the United States. So because this is on the staffing side, it does look like you're going to be mostly working with physicians. They're looking for somebody to coordinate service and equipment to meet the physician's prescribed start of care and discharge dates. You'll be responsible for communication to the referral source, the physician, and sometimes the patient. You'll be adhering to all out-of-network qualification standards, working with the providers outside of the Centrix network to make sure pricing is correct for their client reimbursement, and you'll utilize appropriate documentation to ensure URAC, core, and HUM standards are met. Now again, only a high school diploma or GED is needed, 1 year of experience in a customer center or call center, someone who has great communication skills, great problem solving skills, and someone who can be proficient using a computer. Pay for this position is $18 an hour. It does say you get monthly incentive bonus opportunities on top of that $18 an hour. And last but not least, we have Conifer Health Solutions hiring a patient account representative. Now, this is going to be remote for the United States as well, but Conifer Health Solutions is part of Tenet and Catholic Health Initiatives family. They have 30 years of healthcare experience. They're looking for a patient account representative to work accounts to make sure they're resolved in a timely manner. This is another revenue cycle job within the healthcare industry. You'll perform duties assigned in a professional manner. You'll have to interact with insurance plans, patients, physicians, attorneys, and team members as needed. You'll assess the payer or insurance company websites and discern pertinent data and information to resolve accounts. So accounts that have been billed out to the insurance that are not resolved and paid in full, you'll have to find out why and help get them resolved. You'll utilize all available job aids provided to you for the patient accounting process. Of course, you'll document clear and concise notes in the patient accounting system regarding the status of those claims you sent out to the insurance company and any actions you take on them to try to resolve them. So this is going to require you to research each account with the company patient accounting applications, internet resources that are made available to you, and conduct correct and appropriate research. And sometimes you may have to pick up the phone to call the insurance payer if you can't get all the information you need, but you're basically just resolving any errors with the claims. If it needs to be recoded, if they're requesting medical records, things like that. Again, no college degree is required, just a high school diploma or GED. They do want somebody who has 1 to 4 years of medical claims or hospital collection experience, somebody who can type at least 45 words per minute. Again, you got to use those Microsoft Office systems, Word, Excel. Be a critical thinker, and you need to know how to understand and read an EOB or explanation of benefits from an insurance company. Now again, this job listing did not list pay. That'll have to be discussed at the time of the interview. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding to those, I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. If I ever come across anything I know someone is looking for, I will share it. But until then, I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.